Hey everybody, welcome back to Josh's Cookhouse, where nothing's off the table. I'm Josh, and today we're making smoked queso using leftover brisket. I'm going to show you how to prepare it all, and then we're going to get it out in the smoker. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get started. Well, up first we're going to be cubing some cheese. We got here 1 pound of Havarti cheese, and then after we finish with the Havarti cheese, we're going to be cutting up 1 pound of Pepperjack cheese. In the aluminum pan, you're going to see that we got 1 block of cream cheese and a block of Bongards melted cheese. For this queso recipe, I ended up using 2 pounds roughly of brisket that I had already smoked. You can use fresh brisket if you already have it on hand. Just rough chop the brisket so you can get some in every bite. Add all the brisket to the pan and crack a cold one. We're going to be adding about half a beer into our pan. It doesn't necessarily matter what kind of beer you use, this is just what I had on hand. Open up 3 cans of Rotel fire roasted diced tomatoes and green chilies. Add those all to your pan as well. Next, I like to rough chop about half a cup to a cup of cilantro. Make sure to remove the stems. Once the cilantro's in the pan, we're going to move on to some Poblano pepper. Deseed it and just dice it up. Besides the Poblano pepper, I like to add 2 or 3 jalapeno peppers. I deseed them and dice them. The last thing I add to the smoked queso is 2 to 3 garlic cloves minced. You don't have to do this, but I like to mix everything up together before throwing it on the smoker. Now that we've got everything all chopped up and thrown into our aluminum pan, we're going to go put it on the Pit Boss smoker at 250 degrees. For the smoked queso recipe, I decided just to stick with hickory pellets. I find the hickory smoke to just be subtle and not overpower the food. Alright, now we're going to smoke this for an hour to hour and a half on the Pit Boss. Once your smoked queso with brisket has been on the Pit Boss for about 30 to 40 minutes, I go ahead and start mixing it up. Alright, it's been about an hour and a half since we put the smoked queso on. I'm just going to check it. Well, it definitely looks like it's ready to go, so we're going to take it off the smoker and bring it inside to try it out. Here it is, smoked queso dip with brisket. The only thing left to do is try it out. That's perfect for any party. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to try any of my other recipes out, go to the link in the description below to joshscookhouse.com. Thank you.